How to use the RSI indicator below the level of 50 like the pros. How to use the RSI indicator below the level of 50 like the pros. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders for RSI trading. Our website is www.dayprotrader.com. Our YouTube channel is Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. The title of this video is how to use the RSI indicator below the level of 50. Okay, like the pros. All right. The ultimate role of the RSI indicator is to identify bullish financial instrument and bearish financial instrument. He also divides the market into two zones, the bullish zone above the level of 50 and the bearish zone below the level of 50. Now the question is, how do the pro trades the RSI indicator below the level of 50? All right, when the RSI is below the level of 50, it's indicating to us that the financial instrument is in a bearish zone, or is in a resistance zone, or it is overbought. All right? Okay? When the RSI is below 50, we are looking for what? Bearish chart pattern. All right? This is how professionals are trading, okay, the RSI indicator below the level of 50. I'm going to go now to the weekly chart. The stock that we are looking at is Amgen. Is my pronunciation correct? Put the comment below. All right, Amgen Incorporation. I like those comments about my accent. All right, okay, Amgen Incorporation. All right, the epic is Alpha Mike Golf November AMGN. Okay, here it is, and here we are. So we are on the weekly chart, the RSI period 14, the RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, okay? RSI period 14 is below the level of 50. So you can see it was hanging here below the level of 50. Finally, it did below the level of 50. It's below the level of 50. Well, how do we trade it? How do the pro trade this, okay? The professional traders, day traders, swing traders, will look for bullish chart pattern. So after we acknowledge the RSI indicator, okay, telling us that we are in a bearish zone, all right, that we should give priority to bearish signal when the RSI is below 50, we will now switch our attention to the price, looking for bearish trading setup that will generate bearish trading signal. Without a valid trading setup, there is no valid trading signal. Okay, so here we have what? A head and shoulder chart pattern. Price was going up. In fact, I have done area wave analysis for this stock before. You can see a video at 24areawave.com. All right, these are my drawing for the area wave. And also, if you pay attention to the candlestick pattern, the price was going up, bullish candle, bullish candle. These are this tall candle here. Look at that. After a tall bullish candlestick, tall candlestick bar, we have what? Indecision here. All right, telling us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. So this year, traders start selling, okay, Amgen stock here. So, but RSI period 14 is also below the level of 50 on the weekly chart. All right, we have also a bearish chart pattern. So the first condition, RSI D below the level of 50. Next question, is he at a conversion point? Is he at the price target? Okay, is he at the end of the multi-wave, where bullish traders will be willing to take profit? Is he in a zone where the bullish trader will know, okay, be happy to buy? Is he at the best place where the bearish trader will be happy to sell on the edge? So we are looking for what? A bearish chart pattern. Here we have a head and shoulder chart pattern with the neckline. This is the horizontal neckline here. So when the price D below the neckline, we will project the distance from the top of the, okay, the inverted head and shoulder, of the head and shoulder pattern, and project it down, and bringing us to this level here. So professionals are pushing, so to speak, the stock to the level of 12000. Call it 121, okay, 121, okay, call it 121. So this is the target that the price is heading to. Will it reach the target? That remains to be seen, all right? So When the RSI is below the level of 50, we are looking for bearish chart pattern. Do we have one? Yes, we have one. Which one? Okay, a head and shoulder chart pattern. How do we trade a head and shoulder chart pattern? Okay, here it is. All right, we will also draw a trend line. You see here, a high and a lower high. So the best place to sell is somewhere here on the edge of this trend line, this one here, or right D below the neckline and retest the neckline on the edge, okay, forming a resistance. We will sell on the edge. But because we're on a weekly chart, all right, we will switch now, multiple time frame trading method. So RSI is below 50. We look for bearish chart pattern, okay. Next step, we implement a top-down trading method. But because I'm on a weekly chart, I will go to the 4-hour time frame, looking for what? The trading signal on the edge. Are we in a declining channel? If you want to sell, it's preferable that we sell in a declining channel, okay. So that is, okay, if you accept that, okay, if you accept that, okay, there's a small bearish channel here, okay. I'm drawing this line, okay, parallel to the top one here. See this one here? I'm just trying to select the point, so I will choose this point here, this one, okay. Select this point and draw a line through it that is parallel to the first one here. So we have a kind of declining channel here. So best place to sell is here or on the edge of the neckline. So break below. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, rally up to the edge of the trend line, and then we use, okay, a top-down trading method. So on the 4-hour chart, we are in a declining channel, which is good. So this channel here on my 4-hour chart, yeah, I can divide it also into 2. Okay, this is a better place to look for opportunity to sell. Okay, breaking below, retest on the edge, and then if we are now on the 4-hour chart, you want to enter the trade. So weekly chart, 4-hour chart. So this is not very good for me now. I would prefer it to come here, and then we'll go to the 50-minute time frame to enter the trade. All right, 50-minute time frame. What do we see here? Again, I'm keep drawing lines. Anytime I change time frame, I draw by channel. So now I have too many lines on this chart. Okay, let's color this one into orange. All right, it's just to analyze, okay, the price action, okay, without violating the market patterns. So on the 50-minute chart, I'm now on the 50-minute time frame. Remember, the price is not yet on the edge on the 4-hour chart, so it's not a good place to sell. But if I am desperate to sell, I would prefer to sell on the edge, okay, on the 50-minute time frame, knowing that it's not yet cooked, it's not yet ready. All right, we don't want to eat it rare or medium rare, or if you like steaks, so to speak. All right, this is to make you laugh a bit. All right, on the edge, okay, that would be a better place to sell. So to summarize this video, the RSI is below the level of 50. It does not matter which RSI you are using. Here I'm using the RSI period 14. The setup is on the weekly chart. We can combine weekly chart, 4-hour chart, 50-minute chart frame. If we see this trading setup on the daily chart, we'll do daily chart, hourly chart, 10-minute time frame. If it is on the monthly chart, we'll do monthly chart, daily chart, hourly chart. The setup, the signal, and the low-risk entry point. Checking Google Finance, the economy news, Yahoo Finance, the fundamentals, to validate the technical setup and to trade it like a pro. The trading setup is very important, will generate a valid trading signal. It's not the other way around. Okay, so RSI below the level of 50, it's a bearish trading setup. Next step, we switch our attention to the price. We are looking for bearish chart pattern. Which one? Okay, if you see the chart pattern, set a target. How do you set a target? Here it is. Okay, all right. The ultimate greedy bearish target is at 120. Call it 12100. 12100 for American stock. Okay, we want to trade it. We want to trade it on the edge. Okay, we switch time frame. We go to the signal time frame. If I was on a daily chart, I'll go to the hourly chart. This will be a better trading place, a signal place, primarily up to this point, and then the common center is broken. We switch to the 50-minute time frame to enter the trade. RSI below 50, indicating to us what? The price in the bearish zone. Next step, look for bearish trading setup. Okay, set a target. All right. Use the multiple time frame trading method, okay, to trade it like a pro. All right. The ultimate role of the RSI indicator is to identify bullish or bearish financial instrument. It's also to divide the market into two zones, the bullish zone above the level of 50 and the bearish zone below. All right? If you have any question, put in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, put in the comment section. And in due course, all right, I will record another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use the RSI indicator below the level of 50, like the pros. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you very soon.